Earth is our home planet and is the third planet from Sun, and the only place that's inhabited by living things. Earth is only the fifth largest planet in the solar system, and is only world in our solar system with liquid water on the surface. The name Earth is at least 1,000 years old. All of the planets, except for Earth, were named after Greek and Roman gods and goddesses. However, the name Earth is a Germanic word which simply means the ground. Let us talk about size and distance of Earth. With a radius of 3,959 miles 6,371 kilometers, Earth is the biggest of the terrestrial planets. The distance between Earth and Sun is 93 million miles 150 million kilometers, which is known as one astronomical unit. This unit provides an easy way to quickly compare planet distances from the Sun. It takes about 8 minutes and 20 seconds to travel sunlight from the Sun to the Earth. Now let us know about orbit and rotation of Earth. As Earth orbits the Sun, it completes one rotation every 23.9 hours. It takes 365.25 days to complete one trip around the Sun. To keep our yearly calendars consistent with our orbit around the Sun, every 4 years we add one day. That day is called a leap day, and year it's added to is called leap year. Earth's axis of rotation is tilted 23.4 degrees with respect to the plane of Earth's orbit around the Sun. This tilt causes our yearly cycle of seasons. During part of the year, the northern hemisphere is tilted toward the Sun and the southern hemisphere is tilted away. With the Sun higher in the sky, solar heating is greater in the north, producing summer there. Less direct solar heating produces winter in the south. Six months later, the situation is reversed. Now let us know about the structure of the Earth. Earth is composed of four main layers, starting with an inner core at the planet's center, enveloped by the outer core, mantle and crust. At the bottom of the ocean, the crust is thinner and extends about 3 to 18.64 miles, 5 to 30 kilometers, from the seafloor to the top of the mantle. In between the outer core and crust is the mantle, the thickest layer. This hot, viscous mixture of molten rock is about 1,800 miles, 2,900 kilometers, thick and has the consistency of caramel. The outer core layer is about 1,400 miles, 2,300 kilometers, thick, made of iron and nickel fluids. The inner core is a solid sphere made of iron and nickel metals about 759 miles, 1,221 kilometers, in radius. There the temperature is as high as 9,800 degrees Fahrenheit 5,400 degrees Celsius. Like Mars and Venus, Earth has volcanoes, mountains and valleys. Earth's lithosphere, which includes the crust both continental and oceanic, and the upper mantle, is divided into huge plates that are constantly moving. For example, the North American plate moves west over the Pacific Ocean basin, roughly at a rate equal to the growth of our fingernails. Earthquakes result when plates grind one another, collide to make mountains. Earth's global ocean, which covers nearly 70% of the planet's surface, has an average depth of about 2.5 miles 4 kilometers, and contains 97% of Earth's water. Almost all of Earth's volcanoes are hidden under these oceans. Hawaii's Mauna Kea volcano is taller from base to summit than Mount Everest, but most of it is underwater. Earth's longest mountain range is also underwater, at the bottom of the Arctic and Atlantic Oceans. It is 4 times longer than the Andes, Rockies and Himalayas combined. Let us know about the atmosphere of Earth now. Near the surface, Earth has an atmosphere that consists of 78% nitrogen, 21% oxygen, and 1% other gases such as argon, carbon dioxide and neon. The atmosphere affects Earth's long-term climate and short-term local weather and shields us from much of the harmful radiation coming from the sun. It also protects us from meteoroids, most of which burn up in the atmosphere, seen as meteors in the night sky, before they can strike the surface as meteorites. Let us know about magnetosphere of Earth. Our planet's rapid rotation and molten nickel iron core give rise to a magnetic field, which the solar wind distorts into a teardrop shape in space. The solar wind is a stream of charged particles continuously ejected from the sun. Here is the full process of formation of aurora. When charged particles from the solar wind become trapped in Earth's magnetic field, they collide with air molecules of our planet's magnetic poles. These air molecules then begin to glow and cause aurora, or the northern and southern lights. Let us know about moons of Earth. Earth is the only planet that has a single moon. Our moon is the brightest and most familiar object in the night sky. In many ways, the moon is responsible for making Earth such a great home. It stabilizes our planet's wobble, which has made the climate less variable over thousands of years. Some moons are bits of rock that were captured by a planet's gravity, but our moon is likely the result of a collision billions of years ago. When Earth was a young planet, a large chunk of rock smashed into it, displacing a portion of Earth's interior. The resulting chunks clumped together and formed our moon. With a radius of 1,080 miles, 1,738 kilometers, the Moon is the fifth largest moon in our solar system after Ganymede, Titan, Callisto and Io. The Moon is farther away from Earth than most people realize. The Moon is an average of 238,855 miles, 384,400 kilometers, away. That means 30 Earth-sized planets could fit in between Earth and the Moon. This is all about the Earth. Thanks for watching. We hope you love the video. If you love the video, please don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe. We will get back soon with the new video. Till the time, goodbye and take care.